Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. So as it stands now, Samsung releasing two versions of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. As the July Unpacked event approaches, more details about Samsung's upcoming foldables are emerging through various leaks. In the latest report, has revealed that Samsung plans to launch the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim in China, possibly under the name Galaxy W25. According to the tipster, this model could also see a release in Korea and is expected to be available starting in October. Samsung often rebrands its Z-series foldables for the Chinese market. Last year's Galaxy Z Fold 5 was introduced in China as the Galaxy W24. According to the leaker, the Galaxy W25 will be thinner and lighter compared to the standard Z Fold 6. This change might be attributed to Samsung's decision to drop S Pen support for the Galaxy W25, potentially involving the removal of the digitizer layer beneath the display. The tweet also mentions that the Galaxy W25 will feature a larger size compared to the standard Fold 6, hinting at a potentially different form factor or aspect ratio for the outer display. While some potential buyers might view the lack of S Pen support as a drawback, the slimmer profile could position it as a more premium device. Although there is a possibility that Samsung may eventually release this compact Z Fold 6 model internationally, it seems more likely to remain exclusive to China, though everything will be revealed after Samsung Unpacked on July 10th. But concrete information about the device is unlikely until its debut in China. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.